At first, customer journey maps can look like complicated documents to complete, so let's break down how you go about creating one. First, let's start with the end-to-end journey. Here we have an example of choosing a new school for your child. These should be the big chunky main stages that you go through. There is no right or wrong number of stages, but typically you will have about 4, 5, or 6 stages. If you find yourself with 12, you have too many. And if you have only 2, you have too few. Each of these stages will divide into the next level of detail, which we call sub-journeys. Throughout the map, it really helps if you use language from the customer perspective, so I contact and I visit. At this level, we can describe the experience that the customer values. Your customer insight should inform this. It is important to break experience into both rational and emotional. This becomes useful when we want to make improvements to various touchpoints in the journey because it defines the experience that we want to deliver. Customer journey maps can be a helpful document to align the organization with your end-to-end journey. The next level of detail is to look at individual touchpoints. Here we will tackle a single sub-journey. I visit the school. Here we break the journey down into the individual steps that are taken. It can be really easy to get hung up on the what-if questions here. For example, what if I need to rearrange the date of my school visit? We recommend mapping the happy path, the journey a typical customer takes, without anything going wrong. Again, there is no absolute right or wrong for what details to record against each of these touchpoints. We focus on the following: how the customer is currently feeling at this point, what channels are involved, current pain points, understood from customer insight, the really important steps to get right, moments of truth. Who owns this step? How we measure the performance of this step. We now have our end-to-end journey and touchpoints mapped out for a sub-journey. This example is just to illustrate how to capture the detail. Creating a visual customer journey map can be more impactful, so it's key to consider this when creating yours.